You just saw an amazing Instagram story and you want it on your profile right now? How do you do it? Today I'm showing you exactly how to repost a story, whether it's one you're tagged in or an old memory of your own that you want to bring back to life. And stick around until the end because I'm also going to answer the biggest question everyone has. How do you repost someone else's story if you weren't tagged in it? Let's jump in. Okay, scenario 1, the easiest way. Someone else posted a story and tagged you. When this happens, Instagram basically hands it to you on a silver platter. You'll see a notification in your DMs. Open the chat, look right there. You will get a big blue button that says add to your story. Tap that. Boom, it loads right up. You can pinch it to resize it, add your own text or GIFs, and just hit the arrow to post. Done. Now, before we get to reposting old memories, if I just saved you a headache, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It seriously helps me out. Alright, scenario number 2. You want to repost one of your older stories from the archives. Go to your profile page, top right corner, tap those 3 lines. Next, tap on your activity. Scroll down a bit and find archive. Now, if you see your regular post here, just look at the very top. Tap that drop down menu and switch to Stories Archive. Here is every story you ever posted. Just find the memory you want to bring back, tap on it, and hit those 3 little dots in the bottom corner. And hit Reshare Archive Story. Customize it however you want and post it fresh for everyone to see today. Okay, the final burning question. What if I wasn't tagged in someone else's story? Can I still press a button to repost it officially? The honest answer is no. Instagram doesn't have a native feature for that right now to protect people's privacy. If you aren't tagged, the add to stories button simply won't exist. Your only option there is to take a screenshot or screen record it, but hey, if you do that, be cool and make sure you tag the original creators so they get credit. Ever wonder how to remove songs from Instagram posts after posting? Watch this now.